Legal malpractice in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. Along with my partner, Rashawn Jan, we represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury here in Massachusetts. And I've been asked today to talk about legal malpractice claims in general for a blog page, a website page, and so I will try. A couple things you need to know before you have a claim. One is, was there a prior relationship? Was there a relationship with an attorney? It has to be a contractual relationship. You don't have to have a written contract, but you have to have a relationship. You can't go after a judge or your husband's attorney or the estate attorney that didn't represent you. You need to go after your attorney if there's a claim. That's number one. Number two, there has to be a good case. They may have done something wrong, but it didn't really result in any damages. So there have to have been a case where you were wronged. They blew the statute of limitations. They deeded something which they weren't supposed to be deeding away. They neglected to do something on a bankruptcy petition or something of some nature where they actually made a mistake. Then there has to be actual damages. You can't say, well, I would have settled this case a little bit sooner, but I don't really have any damages. You have to have actual damages, numbered damages. It's a civil claim. You have to have numbered damages. And to win these cases, we have to be very aggressive. We have to have an expert. You can't say, well, everyone should know such and such, because everyone doesn't know that, and the jury certainly doesn't know that necessarily. And so we need an expert. And then we have to have damages that we get to, we win. We also have to be collectible. If you have an attorney who's retired and moved out of state and we can't find him or her, it's not going to be easily collectible. If they have insurance, it's much easier to collect. So we look for all of those things in these cases. And they're tough cases. We have a lot of calls from a lot of people that we can't help because maybe they were overbilled, but they assented to it, or maybe they were maybe there was a mistake made at trial, but we're not clear that they would have won but for that mistake. If you have a case, if you think you have a case, call Burns and Jan. It's a free initial consultation. We're aggressive, we're effective, we want to help you, we care about you. It's a free consultation, as I mentioned, 617-227-7423. Thank you.